Unit 1. Myself. Parts of body. Hair, eye, ear, nose, mouth, chin, face, neck, shoulder, arm, elbow, waist, fingers, thumb, knee, toes, hand, leg, foot. Let's count. I have toe eyes, 5 fingers, 2 hands, 1 nose, 2 legs, 2 ears, 2 feet, 1 head, 2 lips, 2 arms, 1 neck, 32 teeth. Learn the names of more body parts. Palm, waist, chin, forehead, heel, wrist, nail. The senses. Our body parts can feel. These feelings are called senses. We have 5 senses. Number 1 touching. Number 2 seeing. Number 3 hearing. Number 4 smelling. Number 5 tasting. Match the body parts with their senses. Tasting, touching, smelling, hearing, seeing. Movements. We can move in different ways. Number 1 crawling. Number 2 hopping. Number 3 jumping. Number 4 walking. Number 5 running. Number 6 rowing. Number 7 swimming. Number 8 skipping. Food. We eat food to live. Number 1 bread. Number 2 egg. Number 3 meat. Number 4 rice. Number 5 chocolate. Number 6 cookies. Number 7 chicken. Number 8 fish. Number 9 fruit. Number 10 milk. Number 11 vegetables.